which we normally use in bathrooms and all. I know, but
Exactly.
the
Okay, the
other
first
problem
one, right?
kids
And?
problem.
Hey yo, Z-Score, new day, and we're bouncing, we're leaving from here and we're heading back to Bombay, and I've got a bit of a surprise on the way to Bombay for you guys. So right now we are with Leela Jumani. What's up? What you doing? You ready to go back?
Yes, excited to go back.
Excited to go back. Everyone's here. Krishna Kaul. What's up? Finally, are you excited?
told them where we're leaving from.
We're
just leaving.
We're just leaving. You guys will know in a bit. Should we tell them now? I think it's time to tell them, right? I think we can tell them.
Yeah, guys, we were in Rishikesh all this while.
Rishikesh.
Rishikesh में बहुत मजा आया, guys. Please stay tuned to the
You
vlog.
guys are twinning.
Yeah, we didn't realize.
Couple goals, huh?
Best friend goal.
Couple goals. Abhi and Krishna. Couple goals.
यार hashtag friendship goals.
Couple goals.
Hashtag
Friendship goals. This is what every couple says. Hashtag friendship goals.
मुझे पता है क्या?
Those couples suck.
Genuinely मैंने
Friendship goals.
genuinely
Hashtag friendship goals.
रात में और
Don't explain yourself. You're making it worse. Don't explain yourself. Alright, so we're in Goa actually, and we're about to bounce from here. We're headed to Bombay. So yeah, got a surprise for y'all over there as well. Yay! The gang is leaving. What's up, Rena, Lida, and don't reveal it. Don't reveal it right now. What's up? Now that you revealed it, I need to do this. भाई हम लोग जैसे ही बाहर पहुंचेंगे ना, एक सेकंड गाड़ी साइड में रुका देना. यहाँ पे भी रुक सकते हैं हम लोग. Yes, please. Thank you.
दिख रहा है कुछ? जी उधर करो जाके.
नहीं संभाल के.
जी तुम इसके बेटे के सामने कर रहे हो.
किसके?
उधर करो जाके.
नहीं पागल है क्या?
Oh God. दिल कब? I have to get down.
You all can see half of it right now. I'll show you the full thing at the airport. So this is something that came to my mind last night. I think I'll be the first person who will be traveling from anywhere in a flight in a bathrobe. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Yo, we're Goa airport. Time to head back. We're at the airport. All eyes on your boy. All eyes on your boy. Why? Why do you think I have all eyes on you?
All eyes on you.
Exactly.
Because the way you dressed.
Exactly.
Everybody is
Exactly
wondering.
my point. Hey, what's up? Let's go. Yo, get a full shot of me.
They arrest me.
They won't. You're a part of the Z squad.
What if they arrest me?
They won't arrest you. Because you're a part of the Z squad, babe.
Go back to bed.
The latest family that's taken over YouTube. Yo, everyone's a part of the Z squad, son. Oh, look who's here. Hi.
One clear.
What's up?
What is with this man? What is he wearing at the airport?
So that's what I'm gonna be the first person to travel on a flight in a bathrobe ever. My name's gonna come in the Guinness Book of World Records. I'm gonna be the most famous person on earth. That's just how it's gonna go. So yeah.
All the best, my friend. All the best.
It's just that it's normal. It's not that I'm gonna take it off. Oh, you want me? If you want me to wear a t-shirt inside, I'll wear it. But I'll wear this on top. It was the same thing. It's not like I'm gonna take it off. And I'm wearing a shorts, a proper shorts.
Oh, that's like.
I know. But that's what. It's totally covered, right?
No, that's why this is not actually
That's what. See, that's
permitted.
what.
Permitted. Which we normally use in bathrooms and all. I know, but
Exactly.
the
Okay, the
other
first
problem
one, right?
kids
And?
problem. The passengers.
Oh, why would they? Because so half of the flight is booked by us, the actors that are traveling back to Bombay. So I'll be next to my friends only. So I don't think.
But
anyone
it is
should have a
never
problem.
good.
Huh?
Attire, that's what.
I know, but this is a good enough attire. I think I look good in it.
No.
What do you think?
You have to change.
Huh? I will have to. But then that's what I don't understand what the problem is.
You have to change.
Is it really necessary? Because I'm wearing a shorts. I'll wear a t-shirt
That's
inside.
okay. But wear it is, but don't wear this. That's all. It should be attire should be good.
But I think this is good enough attire.
No.
Is there like a specific attire that you need to?
No, either pant, shirt, whatever, t-shirt you wear.
Pant, shirt and t-shirt. But
Yeah,
I'm
but
wearing
not-
a pant.
not this.
This is not allowed.
Change it.
Oh, I'll do that. So I guess I'll have to change. I'll have to change, guys, because Air India staff is a bummer.
Are you changing?
I have to because
What happened?
they're saying that apparently you need to have proper attire. I'm covered top to bottom. I don't see what the problem is. Is there a problem? What are your thoughts on Air India?
I like Air India. They're
But
not letting you go in
they're not
bathrobe.
letting me go in the
Yeah,
bathroom.
that's what I like about them.
And that's what you like about
Yeah.
them. What do you think about Air India? They're not letting me travel in a
No, it
bathrobe.
all
so
depends
so
after
choose-
baggage is checked in.
choose your words wisely.
Whether
I don't
I like it or
understand.
not.
I don't understand the problem. Like other passengers can have problems.
No,
but
we
I
don't
was
have
like,
a problem.
half of the flight is booked by us.
Yeah, we don't have a problem.
But everyone's standing over there, waiting like hawks. Partly my fault. All eyes on me. It's partly my fault because I created too much of a ruckus. So yeah. Huh?
But you did with me only.
What? Exactly. So what happened?
मुझे अपना रिपोर्ट देखा
Huh?
रिपोर्ट देखा मुझे अपना
सबका साथ में हुआ है.
बट सबका साथ में ही हुआ है मैम
Another point down for Air India. Another point down for Air India, guys.
We still are traveling.
I don't give a sh. They're not letting me travel in my bathrobe. Can you take this while I just go and give this little ball to that little kid and come back? Oh wait, and I also need to take my shirt.
See, you cannot record. He's saying to stop recording.
That who? Which guy? Another point down for Air India, guys. I hate Air India. Alright, so now I had to change back because they don't let you do shit. They had a problem with my bathrobe. Who the f had a problem with the bathrobe? Also, now they aren't letting Tanya go because
They are letting me go. I don't want to be here.
no, but wait, but we need to tell. You're a part of the Z Squad. The Z Squad needs to know, babe. Why aren't they letting you go?
Because my report timings are different than
Exactly. We all got tested on the same day.
time,
Her
same
report
day.
came in a day earlier. Ours came a bit late. So now they're like, oh, you can't fly. Boo!
Are you allowed to record here?
Yes, of course.
Of course.
We're just not
Because-
allowed a bathroom.
Yeah, you're allowed to record
Don't
if
say
they.
all things about Air India. Right now they're doing a good job.
Huh? Why? So what? So what? Now they're gonna push us in the plane again? No. Why not? Because look, everyone has to come, right? The flight's gonna stay. We board and do what? What happened to your luggage? They aren't letting. Tell us the truth. Tell you the truth. Tell us the truth.
Oh, I love Air India. To feel the air of
Yeah.
India, please fly Air India.
That's all lies, guys. That's all lies. She hates it as much as I do, and as much as Krishna does. By the way, you guys, who called you? Move.
I want to come in your frame.
This is a. Arey, what are you doing?
I want to.
Leave the vlog camera. Leave the camera. Alright.
लड़ रहे हैं बच्ची स्कैंडलाइज हो रही है लड़ रहे हैं
There's a small kid watching. What's wrong with you, kid?
I don't like him. He's very bad. See? Oh, he just did that.
So we're headed towards security right now, and I don't think I'm no more the first person to wear a bathrobe and travel on a flight, but I'm working on it. I'm still working on it. We're still doing things to make that happen, and I will make it happen, son, cause we're the Z Squad, bruh. We're the Z Squad, bruh. The latest family on YouTube. So yeah, gotta figure some shit out, bruh. Alright, so I got my face shield on. I'm about to go and board the flight. Badass flight, people.
Only 2 minutes रुक जाए कुमकुम कहते हैं कि yeah, Kumkum Bhag is all over on the airport today. Everyone is talking about Kumkum Bhag actors. They've created nuisance.
They've created nuisance.
Just because of you.
No, we're the latest people over here. It's Air India who created the nuisance.
Someone's brand. Yeah.
Because-
It's your thing.
No, it's not my thing.
I
See,
told
listen
you
to me.
cannot travel in an
If-
inappropriate outfit.
It is not inappropriate.
It was.
I was covered
It's
top
a bathrobe.
to bottom. So what? So what? The point is, Tanya, that I was covered top to bottom, and they have no sense of
This
fun.
is a Dubai.
And
You can't. Please.
so look, Tan. My problem is we have booked more than half of the flight. If it
You
wasn't.
don't own it. You don't
But
own
if it wasn't for us, these guys wouldn't be flying.
Do you want the peanut butter?
Yes, I do.
Oh, that's great. Yeah?
That was good.
You didn't like it? Sorry. Who doesn't like peanut butter?
Tanya. Tanya doesn't like peanut butter. Well, our proper
Hot chocolate, which one?
Using the ongoing COVID-19 crisis, we're in contact with passengers and and will focus
Who's going to tell me about it? Why didn't you tell me about it?
I told you it's hot chocolate.
You didn't tell me it was burning hot.
Avoid touching your face. Please note that the road market
Hot chocolate is meant to be hot.
I prefer it warm. Bad, guys, bad. Tanya, you want some more? Yeah, keep it with us only. Don't give it back to her. She doesn't even know. So we ain't gonna have no food on this flight. I'm sorry if there's any jarring sound. The lavatory door isn't shut, so every time the flight moves a little,